Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the BMW 220i M Sport. So the car we're checking out today is a 220i M Sport variant, and this one is in the Storm Bay color on the exterior and has beige seats inside. So let's go through the detailed review of this car. The car comes with fully LED headlamps. They have a range of 300 meters, and supporting them you also have the LED fog lamps. You get the dual kidney grills which are connected. You have the aluminum satinated finishing in the middle and the chrome finishing on the outside. And this one, being the M Sport variant, gets the aggressive looking bumpers on the front and the rear, and as you can see you get the huge ADAMs on these, which is also a functional one. As you can notice, this has an air curtain out here through which the air passes and in return reduces the turbulence formed inside the wheel arches, which actually increases the aerodynamic efficiency of the car at higher speeds. The 220i M Sport variant gets the M alloy wheels, which is 17 inches, and they also get the run flat tires around them with the rating of 225/45 R17. The benefit of having this run flat tire is that you can drive at 80 km per hour speed up to 80 km with zero pressure inside them. This increases your convenience and safety on the drive. And while checking the side profile, you'll be able to notice the M badging on the quarter panels and also on the wheels. This being the M Sport variant gets all the package. You get the black chrome finishing around the windows and a two-tone finishing on the mirrors. You also get the indicators incorporated into them. The outer rear view mirror, which is on the right, and the inner rear view mirror gets the anti-glare function, which means that high beams being shown from the back will not glare your sight. And as per the M Sport body kit, the car also comes with side skirts, which has this darker grey shade on the bottom portion and the body color on the top portion. And while checking out the rear, the beautiful coupe design is more prominent in this angle. You get full LED tail lamps, which are quite long. You have the 220i badging, and both the tail lights are connected together with a black finishing with the BMW logo in the middle. You get the reversing camera just above the number plate portion. You get the M Sport bumpers, which have this aggressive looking diffuser at the back too. A twin exhaust tailpipe with chrome finishing, and as mentioned before, on the side skirts the same two-tone effect is carried on to the rear bumpers too. And while checking out the boot, you have a huge boot space with a wide opening. You can also increase the boot space by folding down the seats by 40, 20 and 40 split, and you open it by using these handles which are provided over here. For practicality, you have a 12-volt charging point provided with few hooks and also bags out here. While checking out the engine, the car comes with a BMW twin power turbo petrol engine, which produces 190 bhp and 280 Newton meters of torque. It can do a 0 to 100 in 7.1 seconds, and as per ARAI, the mileage number is 14.82 kilometers per liter. The car is also coupled to a 7-speed gearbox, and the drive is given to the front wheels. So right now we are seated inside the BMW 220i M Sport variant, and as you can notice, you get the M Sport steering wheel. So this being the multifunctional steering wheel, you have the controls for the cruise control and the speed limiter to your left, and the multifunctional media controls to your right. The car comes with paddle shifters. As you can notice, the left hand side for the downshift and the right hand side for upshift. You get the stocks with this onboard computer switch, which shows you various information inside this digital instrument cluster. Talking about the digital instrument cluster, this is a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, which shows you various information as it is being completely digital. For example, once you click on the BC switch on the left stock, you get various information like your G-force meter, media, and your fuel efficiency, everything as such. And while checking the main display, this display is also a 10.25-inch touchscreen system, which comes with the iDrive 7. And this car comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also. And when we come down, you get the air conditioning, this being the 2-zone. You have the controls for the left and right out here. And you get the touch tile buttons for your media, and also you can have the memories of any menu inside the iDrive. And as you go down, the car comes with wireless charging port. Over here, you get 2 cup holders, you get a 12-volt charging point, a USB socket, and as you go down, this being the petrol variant gets the 7-speed transmission. So this car, apart from the diesel variants which gets an 8-speed, this gets a 7-speed. You get this touchpad. So using this touchpad, you can enter in data on your iDrive. You can enter in numbers or even alphabets on these. And you have the different driving modes. By default, the car would be in comfort mode, but you can change it to Eco Pro for more efficiency, or the sport mode to have the best fun out of it. You get the start stop button, the automatic engine start stop feature, the parking assistant. The car comes with reversing assistant and parking assistant also, so it is completely automated. You get the traction control button, auto hold, electric parking brake, and when you go down, you have this handrest which you can open to find a deep space inside with a C-port charger for you. And while checking at the dashboard, you have these soft materials on the dash which gives a very premium look, and also this trim in which the ambient lightings come out from this trim inside itself, which is something new in the 2 Series. The music system, it has 10 speakers on the whole. It is hi-fi music system which has 205 watts. And another feature in this is that the car comes with the BMW personal assistant, which is when you call "Hey BMW," the personal assistant would answer for you. And also the car comes with gesture control. So any action, there are multiple functions like increasing and decreasing the volume, answering and disconnecting the call, things like that, or changing stations. So all those gestures also is available in this 220i M Sport variant. Right now I'm seated at the rear of the 220i M Sport variant. And the first thing is that I get a AC vent over here with a flow controller. I get 2 C-port charging points. And for my convenience, I also have a handrest which has 2 cup holders in them, which can be closed. The same trim which is on the front dashboard and the front doors follow on the rear doors also. Okay, over here you'll be able to notice the ambient lightings being protruding through the trim, which is something very cool. Finally, to give a lot of roominess to this car, the car also gets a panoramic sunroof, which is electric, and the front portion can be opened completely. So that's it from me guys on the BMW 220i M Sport variant. If you have any doubts, please do let me know on the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. It supports me and the channel's growth. I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. Until then, goodbye.